Hey guys, you're listening to Andreas Talks Art with your host, Andreas Kramer.
I always feel like art is kind of like a language, like communication, but you don't know what's being said. But you feel like you understand. Like, this makes sense. I don't know what it is, but it makes sense.
I'm not sure why,
Or
but
like,
I get it.
connecting to the person.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, for sure. That's definitely like a cool thing I've noticed with even like selling pieces is like the different pieces that'll connect with different people. It's cool to see.
Or even just connecting to the same artwork on a different day as yourself. Like I'll have a painting up and look at it like, I don't know, 100 different times. It's just like some random day, I'll just all of a sudden see something different. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. Like I did not see that before. Or somebody will name something that you never saw and then you can see it. I always think that's really fun too.
Yeah, that's always super cool when someone else is able to like see your art because a lot of the times I notice like when you're working on a piece for a while or even just any of the pieces that are yours, like you end up staring at them so much, and you like after a while like you get really like closed into what you see, whereas like someone else comes at it with a whole new perspective and is able to see it in a whole new way. Do you find it hard to sell any of your pieces?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing sometimes.
Or
Like I need an actual website. I have a Etsy, but it's a lot. It's a lot of work.
yeah,
Like I'm kind of at this point right now. I'm not really stuck, but it's like having the booth and having Instagram and needing to do my website and then also another website that I'm working on. And it's just like, it's so hard because then I'll finish a project. I'm like, is this the kind of project that I want to take to the booth, or do I want to put it on my Etsy? And it's like I still need to put it on my Instagram. It's like, and it's like I got to take all these pictures. It's not a problem. It's just like kind of overwhelming sometimes.
yeah. I mean, they each become jobs of their own.
Yeah, like you almost don't know what you're getting into until you do it. It's like it makes you definitely feel it's rewarding when you do get some form of feedback or success from it. It's like it is a lot of work,
Right.
but it's worth it.
Yeah. What have you like, what's been the hardest part about like making your art into a business?
Branding, taking pictures and just being consistent by putting them on the Instagram and then writing descriptions
Yeah.
on Etsy is the worst for me because I'm not always in a writing mood. Like sometimes it's like I don't have any words. It's like I can't describe this right now. And if it's an
Right.
artwork that's like abstract, it's like I don't even have a title for this.
That's one thing, like for me, my abstract pieces, like coming up with titles, like there's sometimes when I have a title, but most of the time I don't have titles and I don't have words. That's why I made it as like a visual art piece because like I don't have words to really like describe what it is.
Yeah, I'm always afraid that like a week from now, it's like I'll need to go ahead and get it out, but it's like I won't have the title. And it's like a week later, I'm like, oh, I just came up with the name, but it's like it's already out. Yeah, it's like I'm not like I feel like there's going to be a time. It's like I'm working on my health, so I feel like I'm going to get better at it. There's a lot going on with that, but it's like I think I'm going to really focus on the consistency, getting the title, figuring out what website, like what project and where to take them. Just like, I don't know, be better at organizing that. And with art, it's hard to organize because you do it based on inspiration,
Right.
but there's a way
Right.
to get it all working together.
Where can anyone check out your work?
On my Instagram, Bugsy, or at Bugsy_BJJ. I have an Etsy with a couple of items on there, the same name, Bugsy BJJ. And that's about it for now.
Cool. So I got one last question for you.
Okay.
What does art mean to you?
What does art mean? Probably the communication thing. Art is like just a form of visual communication and beauty, like finding deep meaning in something that doesn't have words. No, it means so much it's hard to say. It means a lot. I think art has actually saved me before. Like, if I didn't have art, like, I don't know what I would have ended up doing. Like, I don't know, symbolic and meaningful, spiritual, and, like, really special.
Thanks for listening. Share this with your friends if you liked it. And don't forget to be cool. Peace out.